Have you ever felt like managing diabetes and losing weight is like walking a tightrope? You're not alone. This tightrope walk is a challenge faced by millions around the globe. It's a delicate balance, isn't it? On one hand, you're advised to lose weight for better health. On the other, you need to keep your blood sugar levels in check. And let's not forget the myriad of dietary advice that leaves you more confused than enlightened. It's like navigating through a maze with no clear exit in sight. Misconceptions abound, adding to the confusion. Some believe that a low-carb diet is the only way to go. Others swear by a strict calorie count. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. But what if there was a way to make this balancing act a little easier? That's what we're here to explore today. Introducing our weekly diabetic meal plan, designed specifically for weight loss. This isn't just about eating less, but eating right. It's about incorporating foods that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also keep your blood sugar levels balanced. Imagine having a meal plan that's packed with nutrient-dense foods. Foods that are high in fiber, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Foods that not only keep you full, but also provide you with the energy you need to go about your day. This is exactly what our weekly diabetic meal plan offers. Each day of the week, you'll have a variety of meals to choose from. For breakfast, think whole grain cereals paired with a protein like eggs or Greek yogurt. For lunch, how about a hearty salad, rich in leafy greens, lean chicken, and a sprinkle of nuts for that extra crunch. Dinner could be a delicious stir-fry with a mix of colorful vegetables and tofu or grilled fish. And let's not forget about snacks. Fresh fruits, a handful of nuts, or a yogurt can keep those hunger pangs at bay. But this meal plan isn't just about the food. It's also about portion control. Research shows that managing portion sizes can be just as important as the type of food you eat when it comes to blood sugar control and weight loss. And the best part, these meals are designed to be delicious. Eating healthy should never be a chore, and with this meal plan, it won't be. You'll find a variety of flavors, textures, and cuisines to keep your meals interesting and satisfying. So, what's in it for you? Well, following this meal plan can help you manage your diabetes better. It can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, prevent spikes and crashes, and reduce your dependence on medication. Plus, it can help you shed those extra pounds, improve your overall health, and boost your confidence. With this meal plan, not only will you be able to manage your diabetes better, but you'll also be on your way to a healthier weight. Now let's dive into some of the mouth-watering recipes from our meal plan. First up, we have the vibrant rainbow veggie stir-fry. This dish is a color riot thanks to a variety of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Start by sautéing garlic and onions in a pan, then toss in your colorful veggies. Cook until they are tender yet crisp. The secret to this dish is the sauce, a delightful mix of soy sauce and ginger. This stir-fry doesn't just look good, it's packed full of fiber and vitamins, making it an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. Next, we're whipping up the quinoa and black bean salad. This is a high-protein, high-fiber powerhouse. Begin by cooking quinoa in vegetable broth for an added flavor punch. While that's simmering away, mix together black beans, corn, and chopped tomatoes. Once the quinoa is ready, toss everything together with a zingy lime and cilantro dressing. Quinoa is a complete protein, and black beans are rich in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied while also keeping your blood sugar steady. These two recipes are just a taste of what our meal plan has to offer. They're not only delicious, but also designed to provide balanced nutrition, helping manage diabetes while also promoting weight loss. Remember, the key to these recipes is the careful selection of ingredients. Fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are the stars of our meal plan. They are nutrient-dense, helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels and keep you satiated, which in turn aids in weight loss. So why not give them a try? Take out your chopping board, heat up that pan, and start cooking. You'll be amazed at how tasty healthy eating can be. And there you have it, two simple yet nutritious recipes to kickstart your weight loss journey. Adhering to a meal plan might seem daunting, but we've got some practical tips to make it easier. First off, let's talk about meal prepping. It's like having a secret weapon in your kitchen. By preparing meals ahead of time, you can ensure that you always have a healthy, balanced meal ready to go. And in the hustle and bustle of a busy week, you won't be tempted to reach for unhealthy fast foods. So, set aside a few hours each week to chop, cook, and portion out your meals. It's a game changer. Next, let's discuss portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Even the healthiest foods can contribute to weight gain if eaten in large amounts. A good strategy is to use smaller plates and bowls. This can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Also, remember to load up on non-starchy veggies. They are low in calories and high in fiber, meaning you can eat more of them without worrying about your blood sugar levels. Now, onto the elephant in the room: cravings. They can strike at any time and can be particularly challenging when you're trying to stick to a meal plan. However, it's important to remember that cravings are just that: cravings. They are not commands. When a craving hits, try to distract yourself. Go for a walk, call a friend, or indulge in a hobby. If the craving persists, try having a small, healthy snack. Over time, you'll find that your cravings become less intense and easier to manage. Lastly, remember that consistency and patience are key. Change doesn't happen overnight. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long run. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track at your next meal. Remember, small, consistent changes often lead to big results. It's not about being perfect, it's about being persistent. Stick with it, and you'll see the fruits of your labor before you know it. So, are you ready to take control of your health with our diabetic weight loss meal plan? This plan is not just about losing weight, it's also about maintaining a balanced diet that's flavorful and nutrient-dense. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Portion control and meal prepping can make all the difference. We've shown you how to prepare a couple of our favorite recipes, and we hope you'll give them a try. But don't stop there. Explore more, tweak them to your liking, and create a meal plan that suits your palate and lifestyle. Combining this meal plan with regular exercise and other healthy habits can make managing diabetes less daunting and more enjoyable. This is your journey to a healthier, happier you, and we're thrilled to be part of it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly recipes and meal plans, and share your favorite recipe from this video in the comments below. Here's to a healthier, happier you.